Meghalaya BJP stands prepared to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the state. Senior BJP leader A.L. Hek said that all preparations are done and the Prime Minister will land at Upper Shillong ALG around 11 a.m. and will proceed towards Usosotham Auditorium to pay homage to the three freedom fighters of the state, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Tokan Sangma. He informed that the Prime Minister will then address a gathering at Khandailat and after that leave for Tura.
We BJP, we are gearing up for the visits of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Now also Modi has not come during this election, but Modi wave is already there, not only in the urban area or the Shillong city, even in the rural, remotest rural, people talking about Modi, Modi and Modi. It is first time in the history of Meghalaya. BJP is contesting in all the assembly constituencies. If we are getting only 50 mark also of the 34 constituencies, we will be 15 plus of BJP in the state of Meghalaya. And BJP will be led government in the state of Meghalaya.
All India